chocolate, red velvet too. But honestly, cupcake, I only want you. Cookies crumble, brownies tumble, ice cream melts away, but you stay perfect, always worth it every single day. 'Cause cupcakes, cupcakes, you're the one for me. Fluffy bread so soft, sweet as sweet can be. Frosting swirled on top like a creamy cloud, sprinkles shining bright, making me so proud. Delicious, so good. No other dessert understood how to make my heart go pop, pop, pop. Cupcakes, you're the cream of the crop. Cake is just too much, pie doesn't compare. Donuts try the best, but they can't get there. Macarons are fancy, but they're way too small. Cupcake, baby, you've got it all. Perfect little portion, frosting decoration. You're a celebration in my hand. Every bite's a party, never too hearty. You're exactly what I planned. 'Cause cupcakes, cupcakes, you're the one for me. Fluffy bread so soft, sweet as sweet can be. Frosting swirled on top like a creamy cloud, sprinkles shining bright, making me so proud. Delicious, so good. No other dessert understood how to make my heart go pop, pop, pop. Cupcakes, you're the cream of the crop. Pink ones, blue ones, rainbow in between. Chocolate ganache, the best I've ever seen. Lemon buttercream or peanut butter dream, you're perfect, you're magic, you're everything.